coaching comes naturally to you. You're wired for connection, growth, and transformation. But just when the most meaningful work is done, there's the extra work of managing and renewing your ICF credential. For many of us, this part doesn't come naturally at all. That's where CCEase comes in. CCEase is your one-stop shop for ICF credentialing. Designed and taught by Ann Kelly, professional certified coach and mentor, CCEase offers the easiest, most comprehensive, and most supportive way to manage, apply for, or renew your ICF credentials. Don't let confusion hold you back any longer. Get started today by scheduling a no-cost, no-obligation Zoom call with Ann Kelly. Within minutes, you'll both know whether CCEase is right for you.